In this video, I will show you how to change Outlook view to normal. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. As you can see, I've currently got Outlook open. Now, there's been a recent update to the app. There's a newer version of Outlook, but as you can see, it looks different. The layout is actually different to the old version of Outlook. So if you want to revert back to the old style view, then all you need to do is open up Outlook, come up to the top and click onto view just up here, and then what you want to do is come down and click onto layout. Now once you've done that, you're going to get this sub menu come up, and what you want to do is hover over reading pane, and you want to select the option that says show on the right. After you select this, as you can see, it's now going to appear as per the old style Outlook view, and that is how to change Outlook view to normal. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.